Hello everybody, and welcome to my tutorial about access and how to create a table for species and taxonomies. So what we're first going to do is open access on your computer, so you can press the Windows key on your keyboard, type in access. It's the first one that's going to pop up, and so you can open that right there. Alright, and once you're here, going to click on blank database. Going to create one called species and taxonomy. Can go ahead and save this on your desktop to make it easier to access afterwards. Alright, and go ahead and create. Now once you're here, what you're going to do is click on the view and go to design view. So we're going to call this species. Alright, so it saves. So what this is going to do is show you the field names and what data type they are. So you can see here there are multiple types of data, and I'm going to leave ID with auto number because this is going to enumerate all of the species that I'm going to put in. And then for the next field name, I'm going to type in species and click enter. So it's going to automatically put short text as a data type. I'm going to continue and put genus, click enter again, click family, enter again, and then I'm going to go up to suborder. Of course, here you're welcome to go up to where you want. You can also add a common name, but for the moment, we're just going to go with these 4 field names. Alright, afterwards we're going to save this already, and then click here and go back to datasheet view. So we got our 4 field names right here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to click on my window button on my keyboard and on my left arrow key, which is going to open another pane that I already had opened. So this is an internet page from NCBI, and so I chose odontocity to put in as an example for you guys. So what we're going to do, we're going to start with the 4 first species right here. I'm going to copy paste them to make it easier. So you can go ahead and type in each one here in the species like this. So control copy, control paste. There we go. And then for the next field, I'm going to take this genus right here. So it's the same for all 4 of them. Then we got Delphinidae as a family. Oops, there we go. And then the suborder is Odontocity, and we got that here. Right, there we go. That's an example for those 4. Alright, and then afterwards I'm going to go to this family right here, this genus, sorry, and I can put in those next ones, and you got the idea. You can just continue like that. You add the genus, the family is going to be the same, suborder the same. And as you can see here, the ID enumerates every species that I enter. So you can either take that out or leave it. So I'm going to make this full screen again so you get a better view. The species here, you can go ahead and drag it out to see the full name, genus as well, just to give a nicer perspective. And so afterwards, of course, you save every now and then. And that is how you do a table in Access. I hope you enjoyed.